Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman. Before we get going with today's sweet video, if you accidentally forgot to use a referral code to start driving for Uber, it's okay. I'm going to show you how to use a retroactive sign-up code so you can get your guarantee of up to $1,000. All right, all you got to do is open the Uber driver app. At the top of the screen, you're going to see either your picture or 3 lines. Click there. Then you're going to click Earnings. Next, click Help or the question mark, depending on what you see. Click Account and Payment. Then click Referrals. Click Invited Driver, report my missing or incorrect driver referral. Click Send a Message. The invite code that you're going to use is JACOBL17756UI. Friend's name is Jacob Letman. Phone number is going to be 307-349-7713. And the email address is goodvibetribe222@gmail.com. Finally, under details, you're just going to put, my friend Jacob referred me to drive for Uber. That's it. Send it in and get your guarantee of up to $1,000 to start driving with Uber.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? If you remember that commercial, congratulations, you're old like me. I'm Jacob Letman, this is a Rideshare Hub. Welcome back for another exciting video. Thanks for being here. Give yourself a pat on the back for showing up. Hey, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Appreciate that. That's how we get our information out there to the rest of the world so that we can help the rideshare community grow and make more money through the Rideshare Hub. All right, before we get started with today's video, if you haven't started driving for Uber or Lyft, today's the day to start doing so. Jump down into the video description below. You'll find a link to both Uber and Lyft. You can click on those, get sign-up bonuses. Also, if you need a retroactive sign-on or sign-up bonus, we have that in the video description below as well. All right, hey, so I was digging through my papers, through my files. Not really. I was in my driving history going through that, and I found driving breakdown of a good week of driving. So I wanted to share that with you guys so you guys could see the breakdown. And I do a lot of things. I don't typically drive a full 40 hours. Sometimes I do, but in case you don't know, I'm an actor. I teach golf on the side. I work charity golf events. I sometimes work as a brand ambassador, repping companies like Patron, giving samples, that kind of stuff. Do all sorts of different things. So typically I drive between 20-30 hours a week. Sometimes less, sometimes more, depending on what's going on. But here's an earnings breakdown from a week where I drove 29.5 hours, which is pretty good amount. I gave 49 rides and made $539. So, not bad, right? What that breaks down to, before expenses, is $18 an hour or $11 a ride, which I will take that. But I wanted to express the importance of tips. I made $82 in tips, and so that's only without those tips, without that tip money. Thank you, people, for your tips. Tips are appreciated. I would have made $457 without the tips, and it would have taken my hourly from $18 an hour down to $15.50 an hour. So that's a big difference, right? Especially because I don't have the gas calculated in here. I'm sorry. I don't remember how much I spent that week. But anyway, the point is, before expenses, there's a big difference between $18 an hour and $15.50 an hour. So definitely make sure to watch our other videos talking about how to maximize your tips. And yeah, just wanted to give you guys this breakdown so you could see what it's like driving full-time in the Phoenix area. So why don't we do this, you guys? Give this video a big thumbs up, and then jump down into the comment section below and let us know what part of the country you drive in, and how much you typically drive a week and what you typically make a week. That way we can kind of compare and contrast across the nation and see what people are making. All right, we would greatly appreciate that if you guys did that. Hey, cool. That's all I got for you guys today. I am Jacob Lettman. This is the Rideshare Hub. Make sure to get signed up again if you haven't already for driving for Uber and Lyft. Video description. Until next time, drive safe out there, everybody.